Have you ever felt nervous while ordering food in English?
Don't worry. Today's podcast will help you sound confident at any restaurant.
We'll show you how to order, ask for food, and talk politely with waiters in natural English.
So stay till the end, because by the time we finish, you'll be ready to eat and speak like a pro. Hey, Sarah, do you remember the last time we went out for dinner?
Of course! That Italian restaurant was amazing.
Yeah, I still remember their pasta. It was delicious.
It really was. You ordered spaghetti, right?
Yes, with extra cheese. What did you have?
I had the vegetable lasagna. It was so creamy and tasty.
Oh, I wanted to try that too. Maybe next time.
Sure. So, shall we imagine we're in a restaurant again?
Great idea. Let's start from the moment we walk in.
Perfect. Good evening. Table for two, please.
Right this way, sir and madam, the waiter says.
Thank you, we reply, and take our seats.
Here's the menu. What would you like to drink?
I'd say, I'll have a glass of water, please.
And I'd say, could I get a cold coffee, please?
Nice choice. Then we look at the menu carefully.
Everything looks so good. What do you plan to order?
I'm thinking about getting the grilled sandwich.
That sounds tasty. I might try the pasta again.
You really love pasta, don't you?
I can't help it. It's my comfort food.
Then the waiter comes and asks, "Are you ready to order?"
Yes, I'll have the pasta with white sauce, please.
And I'll have the grilled vegetable sandwich.
Would you like any sides or salads?
Yes, please. A small green salad.
That'll be all for now, thank you.
The waiter smiles and says, "Your order will be ready soon."
While waiting, we start chatting.
So, Alex, how was your day today?
Pretty good. I finished some projects and came straight here.
Nice. Eating out after a long day feels great.
Totally. The restaurant has such a cozy vibe.
Yes, the lights and music make it so relaxing.
Oh, look, here comes our food.
Wow, it smells amazing.
Let's take a picture before we eat.
Of course. No meal without a photo.
All right, now let's dig in.
This sandwich is perfect.
And the pasta is creamy just the way I like it.
Do you want to try a bite of my sandwich?
Sure, and you can try my pasta too.
Wow, yours tastes so good.
Thanks. I think we both chose well.
Definitely. The flavors are just right.
How's the service so far?
Pretty good. The waiter is polite and attentive.
I agree. The food came quickly too.
That's always a good sign of a great restaurant.
Absolutely. I'd come here again.
Do you want dessert?
Maybe just a small one. What do they have?
Let's see. Chocolate cake, ice cream, and fruit salad.
Chocolate cake sounds tempting.
All right then. 1 slice of cake and 2 spoons.
Perfect. Sharing makes it better.
Waiter, could we please get 1 chocolate cake?
Sure. And can we have the bill afterward?
That's a good way to say it politely.
Yes, always say please and thank you. It sounds friendly.
Here comes the dessert. It looks so rich and soft.
Wow, that's delicious. Definitely worth the calories.
True. I'll need to walk it off later.
Same here, but it was totally worth it.
All right, time to pay the bill.
Let's see, I think we can split it.
Sounds fair. Here you go.
Thank you. And always remember to tip the waiter.
Yes, it's polite to leave a small tip for good service.
That's true. So, are you ready to head out?
Yep, that was such a nice meal.
I agree. Great food and great company.
Next time, let's try a different restaurant.
Sure. Maybe something spicy this time?
Perfect. Let's make it our new habit. Food and English conversation.
Deal. Because learning English can be delicious too.
That's a good one, Alex.
Thanks, Sarah. And to everyone listening, practice these lines when you visit a restaurant.
Exactly. You'll sound confident and natural in no time.
See you in the next podcast, and don't forget to practice your English every day.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning, keep speaking.